Today we will learn circle drawing algorithm. Today our algorithm is BRESENHAM'S circle drawing algorithm. This is part 2. Before learning this video, please learn the first part of this video. Otherwise you can't get this video clearly. The link is given in the following description. Today we will solve one problem on BRESENHAM'S circle drawing algorithm. Draw a circle of radius 10 units. So first calculate what is our initial decision parameter value. We already calculated that the initial decision parameter is P0 equals to 3 minus 2R in our previous video. So here R is 10. So we can easily calculate the value of our decision parameter. It is minus 17. Now from our previous video we can say that dk plus 1 equals to dk plus 4xk plus 6, where dk less than 0, then if dk less than 0 then you have to choose xk plus 1 yk, and if dk greater than 0 you have to choose xk plus 1 yk minus 1, then the next decision parameter equals to dk plus 4xk minus yk plus 10. This derivation is already done in our previous video. Please consult our previous video. Link is given in the description. So now our table. So what is xk yk? See here, if in your maths, if the center is not given, then you can think that center is at origin. So here the center is 0, 0. So we start from here. See my cursor here. So this point is 0 and the radius, so r, y is r. So we start from 0, r, and we just draw 1/8 of the circle. Then by combination we can draw the whole circle. I repeat, I starts from 0, r, here, from here, see my cursor, and I just draw 1/8 of the circle, this portion, and then by combination I can draw the whole circle. So the starting point is what? 0 and the radius, that is 0, 10. Then what is our decision parameter? We already calculated, it is minus 17. Then xk, next value of xy, just increase x by 1, so x becomes 1. And what is y? Which case? Decay is negative. Which case? First case or second case? First case. When first case, then what is the next value of y? It is same, that is 10. So it is 110. And next value of decay plus 1, next value of decision parameter, it is first case, because decay less than 0. So first case, it is minus 11. Here x is 0 and decay is minus 17. So we get minus 11. In this way you have to proceed. So next point, now our point is 110. What is the decision parameter? Now it is minus 11. So what is the next point? Which case? First case. First case means decay less than 0, first case. So xk plus 1 yk. So it is 2 and same. So 210. What is the next value of dk plus 1? Which case? Negative means first case. So this formula we get this value. Now again 210. What is the value of dk? Minus 1. What is the next point? Which case? First case. So xk plus 1 yk. So it is 310. Negative. So first case. So dk, this formula, first formula, we get 13. Now 310. Decision value of decision parameter 13. Which case? It is greater than 0, second case. So xk plus 1 yk minus 1. So it becomes 3. It becomes 3 and it 3. So it becomes 4 and this 10 becomes 9. So it is 4, 9. And what is the next decision parameter? It is positive. Positive means second case. Calculate. So we get minus 5. Now our next point is 4, 9. Decision parameter minus 5. Which case? First case. So xk plus 1 yk. So it is 5 and 9. Which formula? First formula. So this formula. It is positive. Again 5, 9. It is 17. Next point is which case? Second case. Xk plus 1 yk minus 1. So it is 6, 8. And what is our next decision parameter? It is positive, means second case. Now next point is 6, 8. Decision parameter 11. What is the next point? It is what? It is Positive means which case? Positive means second case, xk plus 1, yk minus 1. So it is 7, 7. And now see, this process will be terminated when xk plus 1 equals to yk plus 1. That is, first octant we have completed. So see here, see my cursor here, value of x and value of y, value of next a and value of next y. See here, here. At this point, value of x and value of y is same. So our first octant is completed here. Now, by formula, you have to draw this, by this table, you have to draw this circle by this table. So first, write down all quadrant here. So first quadrant, it is positive, positive. So write down all point here. Now second, it is negative, positive. Third, it is negative, negative. And fourth, it is positive, negative. If it is yx, then it is xy. If it is minus yx, then it is minus xy. If it is minus x minus y, then it is minus y minus x. Just the opposite. So just write the opposite point here. Now, so this is our table. From this table, you have to draw the circle. So this is our table and this is our graph paper. We have to draw the circle. So just plot this point in each quadrant. So plot the point first 0, 10, minus 0, 10, minus 0, minus 10, 0, minus 10. Next see 1, 10, minus 1, 10, minus 1, minus 10, 1, minus 10. So 1, 10, 1, 10, minus 1, 10, minus 1, minus 10, 1, minus 10. So in this way you have to plot each point. See, I am plotting each point in our graph paper. And I get the whole circle. In this way, BRESENHAM'S circle drawing algorithm works. Now, the algorithm for BRESENHAM'S circle drawing. Here, I am writing on C function where the parameter I am passing is x1, y1 and r. Here, x1, y1 is the center of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. Now, declare three integer variable x, y and d. X is the starting coordinate is here 0 r. See my cursor, from here I start. So I initialize x by 0 and y by r, and initial decision parameter we already learned that initial decision parameter value is 3 minus 2r. So d equals to 3 minus 2r. So I start plotting our point till the value of x equals to y, means till the completion of the first octant you have to increase x and calculate corresponding y. And when the value of x equals to y, then first octant is completed. Then by combination you will get the all pixel of remaining all octants. So I start one while loop while x less than equals to y, means from this point 0 r to when the value of x equals to y, this point I start one while loop, and each time you have to increase x by 1 till the value of x equals to y. So here see x equals to x plus 1 till the value of x equals to y. Now we have 8 combination. So plus x plus y minus x plus y plus x minus y minus x minus y. In this way you have 8 combination. So and the center of the pixel is x1 y1. So you have to write, put pixel x1 plus x, y1 plus y. Then the color, then x1 minus x, y1 plus y. Then the color in this way, means for 8 octant you get 8 combination. and x1 y1 is the center of the circle, and this 8 combination you have to write here, and these 3 2 4 5 6 are the color of each octant. I am drawing these circle by different color in each octant. If you want a circle in a single boundary, single color, means boundary is single colored, then you have to give one single number. But here I want to draw each octant in different color, that's why I am writing 3 to 4 different numbers. So here color is an integer value. Now if d greater than 0, means the second case, if d greater than 0, you have to write d equal to d plus 4 into x minus y plus 10, this formula. Then also you have to decrease y, so y equals to y minus 1. And if d less than 0, the first formula, you have to write d equals to d plus 4 into x plus 6. So this is the programming behind BRESENHAM'S circle drawing algorithm. This is your homework. Try to solve this problem and feel free to ask any question in the comment section. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.